Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I know this is a different setup than usual because this ain't supposed to be a setup. I have no idea how I will put up the camera for an unboxing like this, but today we're gonna go and unbox this iRobot Braava Jet M6. So you know what we gotta do? Let's get into it. Alright, so for some of the real subscribers here, y'all probably already know that I have an iRobot Braava Jet M6, as if you look right there. I never did a video on it. I don't know why I never got to that unboxing, but now here I am. Now, just for the record, all I'm going to be doing is an unboxing and I'm going to be leaving it at that. But this thing is actually about $350, which that's a steal in my opinion. This is iRobot's top of the line robot mop here, and I have the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus, as you can see right here, which is another top of the line robot vacuum that they have. I'd say something above that is about the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, which I will be getting eventually soon. But anyways, for now, let's go and unbox this iRobot thing, man. So as you can see here, we got iRobot Braava Jet robot mop. I got this from my local Best Buy. They had like maybe one in stock or one or two. I might have got the last one, I'm not sure. But we got the actual Braava Jet right here, and then we actually got some more things inside the box. So we got an actual cleaning bottle. And what do I mean by cleaning bottle? We actually have this Braava Jet cleaning solution that comes inside the box. So that's pretty dope. And we actually have 5 mopping pads. So I think we have like maybe 2 dry ones and 3 wet ones. Now for me, I already got like a lot of these already, so these are the reusable ones that you could just throw in the washer, but these are nice too. They cost more money, but obviously it's like $20, but it's gonna save you a lot more money in the long run. So yeah, we got the Braava Jet M6, M6 110, and then on the right side, as you can see here, we have the iRobot logo with Braava Jet, robot mop, all that good stuff. On the back, you can actually see the bottom of it, and you can get on the App Store, the Play Store, and they got Wi-Fi, which it does. That's pretty nice. And because this is their top of the line robot mop, that means you can get the mapping feature and everything that I use all the time with this. So like I'll have it in here, like over this transition, and then I'll go ahead and put in an app to go and clean in my room, and then go and clean in the hallway, or I'll tell Google to actually have that thing clean in my room. Now, why did I get another one if I already got one of these? Good question that I know nobody asked. I think when I'm gonna be doing this, I might go ahead and just put it over this transition somewhere in a regular part of my house, because it can only clean the kitchen, like because it can't go over that transition because it's so close to the floor. It's a little bit annoying, but I mean, it is what it is. We'll have 2 mops here, which is kind of weird, but at least the whole house will be cleaned regularly because I can almost never bring it over here. I don't have the time. But at the top, we got iRobot Braava Jet, robot mop, all that stuff, just the regular stuff, just being repeated on all the sides. At the bottom, nothing important. All right, so you know what we gotta do? We gotta go and get this thing open. I have nothing over here, so I guess we'll just take this knife for now, and we'll go ahead and cut into that. There we go. Chicago coloring, man. It's nice products. I don't live in Chicago, but it's nice. Anyways, here we go. We got our iRobot Braava Jet M6. Looks exactly like mine, obviously, except it got a little bit of scratches, but that's about it. But right off the bat, you can see that we have it on top of the charger, which is right here. So we have a lot of stuff in here. So looking on the Braava Jet itself, as you can see here, we have the iRobot logo, and there's actually a light around this. It's a light ring, which is pretty nice. And then you have a camera right here. This is actually where the camera is pointed at, so it can actually map your house better. We have the spray nozzle right here, and then we have this button right here so you can go and take off the pads. We have a go back home button. We have a clean button, which if you go ahead and hold on to this clean button, you can turn it off. And then you have a spot clean button. So if you have one spot that you want to clean specifically, you could just put it in that spot and then just press that button. But the point of this model is that's supposed to be as hands-free as possible. Like you put on the automations and all that stuff, and that's how it works. Looking at the bottom, you actually have a sensor right here. So this is how it detects when you have a dry pad or a wet pad. So I don't think you can modify that. We got the Braava text with some info right here. We got the wheels, obviously, and then we have the charging connectors, and right here is where the battery is. So you can't take that out. If you take that battery out, it's not supposed to void your warranty, but maybe if you need to get this thing replaced, for example, like I had to, then you could just go ahead and unscrew that and then go and put the battery in a new one. Because iRobot does not ship you a new battery once you get a replacement for your Braava Jet. So we have the charger right here. This is the base that it goes on. As you can see here, I'll go and show you here better. If I go and take that off, that's how the charger works. It's very dirty. I need to go and clean that. And then this is what you plug the charger into. We have some user manuals and stuff, but we're not going to throw it to the side because, like, you know, I'm not trying to do that right now. Putting that to the side though, if we go into here, as you can see, we have our cleaning solution, we have our pads, and then we have the actual charging cord. And look at that. Oh, I forgot about that. We actually have one reusable pad in here, so that's pretty nice. And this is the wet pad. They also have reusable dry pads. I just don't have any of them because it's not usable. useful for me, really. I can just go ahead and just make the floor wet if I need to get the floor clean. And these are the ones you just throw away right here. So this is a dry sweeping pad, so just go ahead and sweep your floor. And then this is the wet pad right here, which is single use. And then lastly, as you can see here, it's a lot smaller, but it is a cleaning solution that you can just go ahead and put into your tank. And I'll go and show you that in a minute. So now let's go ahead and show you that tank. I'm gonna go ahead and open this by going ahead and pressing that back. And there you go. As you can see, and like I said, this is a light around here. I'll go and show you that by opening this here. And as you can see, you just saw that light just go ahead and appear right there. So I know you get a white light usually that spins around while it's cleaning. If there's a red light on there, that means there's an issue, and you can check in the app if you want to. But you can go ahead and take this out here just by going ahead and pressing that up. And that is the tank that you put the water in the cleaning solution. This is also where you find your serial number, and then that's where it goes ahead and takes in the water. And as you can see there, that's where it falls into the floor. You did not just see that. Moving on. Anyways, that's where I'm going to go ahead and end the unboxing, y'all. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I really appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching, though. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, @EddieSantTech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. But Instagram and Twitter is the most active. So now I can finally have both floors clean by me not forgetting to bring that over there. So yeah, that's that. Now it's going to vary depending on your house, obviously. But how I have it set up is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This runs at 10:30 and cleans my house. And after that's done cleaning, it goes ahead and tells this mopping pad right here to go ahead and clean my floors. So I don't have a schedule for this. This runs basically just when my robot vacuum finishes cleaning. Now, if you have another robot vacuum, let's say you have another robot vacuum from like Shark, and then you also have this right here, or you have a Samsung PowerBot, which for the record, please never get a Samsung PowerBot. Anyways, the point is, for example, I run that at 10:30. So I would say run it at about 11:30, like an hour after that's it. That's what I did with my Samsung PowerBot before I finally stopped using that thing up here. I put it in my basement for now until I get another Roomba. But that's my recommendation. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.